So guys, let's do this day 16 of the Advent of Cyber 2 from TryHackMe. So this challenge is about the scripting. We need to create the Python script to brute force API key. So let's do this. My box is up and let's do the nmap scan. And I tried to do this service scan, but it took so much time, almost infinite time, and I did not get the services because the requests are going to be blocked on that server. All you need to do is you need to find the port number of the website from the nmap. So the first question is, what is the port number of the web server? So we have got this 8000 port. So let's check that. So this is a website and Santa's tracking system. Are you an elf that Santa has forgotten? Use the system to track Santa. Now, due to many humans try to find where Santa is, the link is hidden on this web page. So whenever you see this link is hidden, always press Ctrl U to view the source code. Then you start looking for checking the links. So this is Bulma CSS framework and Bulma and GitHub. TryHackMe. So here you can see machine IP API key. So this is our hidden link, 8000 port API and /API. So when you go to this page, you can see a error message. So it's in detail, location, path, item ID, message value is not a valid integer. Alright, instead of API, let's put some 2. So whenever we put the 2, item ID is 2 and it's a query or like a response saying error key not valid. Okay, now this is the hidden link. So let's close this. So even these are the links to the same page, like putting the hash to the same web page. So they are asking what, without using enumeration tools such as Dirvester, what is the directory of the API. So this is the API. Or now they are asking another question is find out the correct API. So whenever you need to enter the correct API key to get the correct page response, whenever you say 3, you get the error not valid. So you need to manually check all these API keys, but it's not possible whenever the API keys are larger. So we need to write the Python script, or you can use the burp suite intruder. So burp suite intruder, so you can use this position as a placeholder and create the word list and do the sniper attack. So we are going to create the Python script. So now let me create a new file, touch brute.py. Now I am going to say nano. So we need to import a module called request to perform any web request. Let's say import request. Now let me copy this URL just into a comment for reference. Now let's say r is equals to requests dot so before that we can say URL is equals to so I am just making a variable name that holds the URL, and I can say request dot get of URL, and we can say print of r dot text to print the actual response. So let's save this and run this using Python 3. So it's saying the same response. You can see, guys, you can see here, this is the same response we have got in the terminal. Alright, the output is error key not valid. Right now we can just use the for loop from 0 to 100. Sorry, I thought 1000. So remember, this is an odd number between 0 to 100. Okay, and after too many attempts, Santa's thread will block you. So there may be some firewall or some IDS software, so we don't know. Now what we're going to do is we are going to loop over 0 to 100 for I in. Since it's an odd number, we can forget about 0, and 1 to 100, and I am going to add the skip count as a 1, so that, sorry, 2, so it will be looping over the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Now we need to say r is equals to request dot get off, and I'm just looping over this number, right? So we can just add that number here. Now the URL is path up to API, and the number will be this I. URL plus, we need to convert that integer into string. So that's it, getting the request of 13579. And what we're going to do is we are going to check a condition, that is if this error message is not in the response, then we get the success, right? So let me copy this. If we can also just say error not in r.text. So whenever there is no error message in our response, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just print out the key, print out the I value. So the I value will be key. Now let's also print the r.text. I can simply comment out these two statements. So I think this is our finalized code. Now we are looping over the 1 to 100 and only the odd numbers, and then we are getting the each URL and each web page, and we are checking if there is error message or not. If there is no error message, then we are going to print that to see what it is. So let's run this. Sorry, I commented out this URL. Now let's run this. So it will take time because the Python is slow, and also it have to make requests and response rate. Okay, we have got the at 57 API key, item ID 57, and the answer our query is Winter Wonderland, Hyde Park, London. And that is our correct answer. If you see where is the Santa right now, that is the location of the Santa, and the API key is 57. And we also got some more messages like 93, 95, 97, 99 saying Santa protection mechanism activated. That means maybe the requests are being blocked. So we don't care about these API keys. So our success API key is 57. You can go ahead and also make sure 57. So you can see the location of the Santa. So successfully we have tracked the location of Santa. So that's all for this day 16 of the scripting. We created a API key brute force using Python.